Okay, so earlier in the class, I got you to arrange the shapes. This is the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we were able to arrange number 1 like this. Number 2 can only be arranged like this. Number 3 can be arranged in a straight line or like this. Number 4 can be arranged in a straight line or in a pattern, in a square. Okay, so we said which numbers are odd? Well, we know the number 1 is odd. And how did we identify which ones were odd from then on? We said, what did we say?
If a part was sticking out.
What?
If a part was sticking out.
Yeah, if there are any sticky bits. So this bit, number 3, this one has a sticky bit, a bit sticking out. So if it has, so 3 is an odd number. So we said this is odd. And what did we say? If it was even, what can you do? If you had a knife?
Cut it in half.
You can cut it in half. Why? Because it is symmetrical. Symmetrical means if I cut this one in half. So if I can cut this one in half, half and half, this one has to be an even. I can't cut this one in half. I can cut this one in half. I can cut it like that. So that's an even. It's symmetrical. This one is symmetrical. I can cut that in half. That's an even. So 4 is an even. So obviously after that, the pattern is 1 is odd, even, odd, even. Okay? And we can continue like that. So that's number 4. And then the other numbers. Just tidy it up a bit. This is the number 5. So 5, we can see that 5 has a sticky out bit. Number 6, symmetrical.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then this is number 6. So this is odd, even because it's symmetrical. And then we have the number 7, it has a sticky out bit. A sticky out bit, number 7. Okay, so if it has a sticky out bit, we said it's odd. If it is symmetrical, it is even. Brilliant. And now we're going to move on to prime numbers. So when looking at prime numbers, we look at the number of factors there are. And what does factors mean? It means how many numbers will divide into it. Okay? So what are the factors of the number 1? 1 times 1. So we can't write it twice. 1 is a factor. What are the factors of 2? 2 by 1. So 2 and 1 will divide in. So you write like this. 2 and 1 are a factor. Are factors. What are the factors of 3? Just 3 by 1. So the factors are 3, 1. 3 and 1 are factors. What are the factors of 4? 4 by 1. And the factors of 4? 2 by 2. So we'll list all the factors. So we have 4, 4 is a factor, 2 is a factor, and 1 is a factor. How many factors do we have?
3.
We have 3 factors. Now we move on to, we're moving on up to 5. How many factors do we have of 5? We have 5 times 1. So the factors are 5 and 1. 6, how many factors do we have of 6? 6 times 1. And we have 2 times 3. So list all the factors, list all the numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, now we're going to list the factors of 7. So we have 7 times 1, and that seems to be it in a straight line there. So 7 times 1. So the factors are 7 and 1. So now we go back and we just look at Which numbers have only 2 factors? The numbers which have 2 factors are prime. So factors, 2 factors. Prime numbers only have 2 factors. Okay? 1 has only 1 factor. 1 number that divides into it. 2 has 2 factors. It's prime. 3 has 2 factors. It's prime. Number 4 has 3 factors. Not prime. Okay. So next one. Number 5 has 2 factors. Prime. The number 6 has 4 factors. Not prime. The number 7 has 2 factors. Prime. Okay?